Hi students, welcome to this video lecturer. This is the session 2 of the course Engineering Mathematics with code 20 SC01T. We are in the topic that is unit 1 matrices and determinant. In the last session, that is session 1, we discussed about introduction to matrices, definition of matrix, order of matrix, types of matrices. These are the 4 concepts we discussed in our previous session. In this session, that is session 2, we are going to continue with, that is we are going to discuss algebra of matrices. Under algebra of matrices, scalar multiplication of a matrix, addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices. These are the 4 points we are going to discuss in session 2. After discussion of these 4 points, we are going to see some assignment questions related to these 4 concepts. At last, we are going to see some multiple choice questions on these 4 concepts. Let us start with algebra of matrices. Under algebra of matrices, we are going to study scalar multiplication of a matrix. Scalar multiplication of a matrix. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. And next, addition of matrices. Addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, subtraction of matrices, multiplication of matrices. These are the 4 concepts we are going to study under algebra of matrices. In this session, we are going to cover these 3 concepts, and next session we are going to see about multiplication of matrices. Now, before to start these all 4, first we have to understand another concept, that is equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. First we are going to understand what is the meaning of equality of matrices, then we are going for scalar multiplication. Equality of matrices. Now, if 2 matrices are given, for example A and B, you have to decide whether the matrices are equal or not. That you have to learn here. That is called equality of matrices. If A equal to, consider matrix A 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Another matrix B equal to 1, 2, 3, 7, 5, 9. Third matrix C equal to 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Here I have considered 3 matrices. You can observe that matrices of all 3, order of matrices all 3 matrices is same, that is 2 rows 3 columns, 2 cross 3, that is the first condition. Order must be same. To say 2 matrices are equal, first condition is order must be same. Orders are same. Next, second condition is corresponding elements must be same. Corresponding elements. What is the meaning of corresponding elements? Andre, if first row first element, here first row first column element, sorry, first row first column element is 1, first row first column element is 1. These called as corresponding elements. Here second row second column element is 8. Here second row second column element is 5. Therefore, these 2 matrices are not equal. A is not equal to B. A is not equal to B. Here C, both matrices are of same order and corresponding elements are same. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Therefore, here A is equal to C. A is equal to C. This is called as equal matrices, equality of matrices. Now, how to define it? 2 matrices A and B are said to be equal matrices if their orders are same. If their orders are same and corresponding elements are also equal. Corresponding elements are also equal. Order same ಇರಬೇಕು, corresponding elements ಕೂಡ equal ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, where it is used, if it is given is X condition and they have given condition A equal to C. If A equal to C, then what is the value of X is? X must be compulsory 9. ಆ ಥರ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now that is equality of matrices. Andre what is the equality of matrices is two matrices are said to be equal if their orders are same and corresponding elements are equal. This is the definition about equality of matrices. Next we are going to start with scalar multiplication of a matrix. Scalar multiplication of a matrix. Scalar means it is a number. Matrix, if A is on matrix, A is a matrix, if example 2 is a scalar, then 2A it is called as scalar multiple of A. Scalar multiple of A, and this is called as scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. If you multiply a number with a matrix with a number, ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಇದು ಹೌ ಟು go for it procedure. What is the procedure? If A is a matrix, consider let us matrix A 2 3 5 4 2 3 5 4, then 3A. How to find 3A? That is 3A means you have to multiply all elements of A. You have to multiply all elements of A by 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು 3 ನಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 into 2 6, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 5 15, 3 into 4 12, 3 into 4 12. This is the 3A. This is called as scalar multiplication. ಅಂದರೆ in general, if A is a matrix, K is a scalar, constant K is a scalar, then KA is also a matrix of order same as A, and elements of KA are obtained by multiplying all elements, that each element of A by K. Now ಇದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೀವು 4A ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then you have to multiply each element by 4. This is called what? Scalar multiplication of a matrix. One of the simple concept. One matrix ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what it is called as scalar multiplication. Now how to define it? If A is a matrix, K is a scalar, then scalar multiplication, that is KA, scalar multiple is a matrix obtained by multiplying each element of A by scalar K. Example, if x equal to A B C D, then what is mx? M is a scalar, means you have to multiply each element by m. What you are going to write? M into A, MA, M into B, MB, M into B, MB, M into C, MC, M into D, MD. This is scalar multiplication. Second example, if B equal to 2 minus 3 1 5 4 3, then what is 2B ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? you have to multiply each element of B by 2. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು 2 ನಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 2 into 2 4, 2 into minus 3 minus 6, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 5 10, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 3 6. These are the examples of scalar multiplication. ಅಂದರೆ you have to multiply each element by that scalar. It is about scalar multiplication of a matrix. Now there are some properties related to scalar multiplication. ಅಂದರೆ in general, what is the first property? ಅಂದರೆ if A is matrix of order m cross n, then Ka is also a matrix of order m cross n, one of the property. Second property, if L and m are two scalars, then L into m a ittandre you can write L into m into a athara matrix multiply madkobodu ನೀವು. Next, addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. Next is addition of matrices. Now, addition andre that is sum, it is also called as sum of matrices. You require minimum two matrices A and B. A and B. First condition is that to add the two matrices, their order must be same. First condition ಏನು, order must be same. ಎರಡದು order ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, same ಇರಬೇಕು. Then A plus B, this is representation of addition of matrices. It is also a matrix obtained by adding corresponding elements of A and B. Corresponding elements of A and B. ಒಂದು example ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Let us consider an example. A equal to 2 3 5 1, 2 3 5 1. B equal to, matrix B equal to 4 0 7 8, 4 0 7 8. Now ಎರಡು matrix ತೊಗೊಂಡಿನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ. What is their orders are? It is 2 cross 2, B is 2 cross 2. Orders are same. This is the first condition. To add any two matrices, what is the first condition is? Orders must be same. Order same ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. What is the addition? A plus B. A plus B equal to ಅಂದರೆ you have to add corresponding elements. What is the first element here? 2. What is the first element here? 4. That is 2 plus 4. ಈ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. First element. Second element is 3. First row, second column. First row, second column is 0. 3 plus 0. 3 plus 0. Next 5. 5 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಈಗ 7. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7. Next 1. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8. Now if you add these, what you are going to get? A plus B is equal to, what is 2 plus 4 is 6, 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 7 12, 1 plus 8 9, 1 plus 8 9. This is the concept of addition. Andre addition of two matrices is possible only when their orders are same, and if A and B are of same order, then A plus B is a matrix obtained by adding corresponding elements. Addition andre simple, you have to add corresponding elements. This is the definition. If A and B are two matrices of same order, that is m cross n, then their sum A plus B is also a matrix of order m cross n. ಅದರದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ m cross n, and is obtained by adding corresponding elements of A and B. This is very important. Adding corresponding elements of A and B. Just you have to add corresponding elements. Example, if A equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 and B equal to 5 3 1 7 8 0, then what is A plus B is? Then A plus B is equal to, you have to add the corresponding elements. What is the first element here? 5 1, here 5, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5. Second element 2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. Next 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Next second row 4, here it is 7, 4 plus 7 ఈ ఎలిమెంట్ 4 plus 7. Next 5, next element here it is 8, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8. 6, here it is 0, 6 plus 0, 6 plus 0. Finally a plus b is equal to what it is, just simplify. 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 7, 11, 5 plus 8, 13, 6 plus 0, 6. It is the addition. ಅಂದರೆ addition ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you have to add corresponding elements. There are some properties related to addition. That is, first property is just you have seen, if A and B are two matrices of order m cross n, then A plus B is also of order m cross n. A ಮತ್ತು B m cross n ಇದ್ದರೆ A plus B ಕೂಡ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ m cross n. If A and B are of same order, then A plus B is always equal to B plus A. A plus B is always equal to B plus A. This is called as commutative law. What it is called as commutative law, that addition of matrices is commutative. A plus B equal to B plus A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. Third one, if A, B, C are three matrices of same order, then A plus B plus C is always equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. This law is called as associative law. Associative law. Associative law. This is satisfied by addition of matrices. Fourth one, if A is a matrix, if we add to 0 matrix of same order, or if you add 0 matrix of same order with A, then you are going to get A. You are going to get A. This 0 matrix is called as additive identity. It is called as additive identity. Last one is, that is, if A is a matrix, then minus A equal to minus A plus A is always equal to 0 matrix, is always equal to 0 matrix. This minus A is called as additive inverse. Additive inverse, that is inverse with respect to addition. These are the some properties related to addition of matrices which may be useful in attending some multiple choice questions. Next, subtraction of matrices. Subtraction of matrices. Subtraction of matrices. As in addition, in subtraction, if A and B are two matrices, to subtract these matrices, first their order must be same. Then A minus B is a matrix obtained by subtracting elements of B from corresponding elements of A. Elements of B from corresponding elements of A. That is definition. If A and B are two matrices of same order m cross n, then their difference or subtraction, that is A minus B is also a matrix of order m cross n and is obtained by subtracting elements of B from corresponding elements of A. Corresponding elements of A. If you consider example, if A equal to 2, 3, 7, 9 and B equal to 4, 5, 6, 1, 4, 5, 6, 1, then what is A minus B? A minus B. You have to subtract corresponding elements, that is 2 minus 4. 2 is first row first column element. First row first column element is 4. That is 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. Next 3. Here it is 5. 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. It is A minus B is equal to, A minus B is equal to, what is 2 minus 4? Minus 2, 3 minus 5, minus 2, 7 minus 6, 1, 9 minus 1, 8. This is the subtraction. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ B from corresponding elements of A. Properties, one thing you have to remember, A minus B is not generally equal to B minus A. They are equal if A and B are equal. Now usually A minus B is not equal to B minus A, that is commutative property is not satisfied. This is about subtraction of matrices. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ, that is a partial part of a algebra of matrices. First concept we learnt scalar multiplication, then we understood addition of matrices. Next concept subtraction of matrices. Next we are going to see some worked examples related to these three concepts. That is the worked example related to these three concepts. Example 1. If A equal to 1, 3, 4 minus 2, find 4A. Solution. First you have to write given matrix. What is given? Given is A equal to matrix A equal to 1, 3, 4 minus 2. What you have to find out? 4A. Consider 4A equal to, first 4 write as it is, then you have to write matrix A. What is matrix A? A is 1, 3, 4 minus 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 4, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4A ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4 into 1 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 into minus 2 minus 8. This is the required answer for example 1. Next example 2. Find 7x if x equal to matrix is given. Solution. First write down the given matrix. Solution. Given, what is given matrix is x is equal to ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 3, 2, minus 1, 5, 4, 2. What you have to find out? 7x. Now consider 7x equal to 7 as it is, you have to write x. What is x? 3, 2, minus 1, 5, 4, 2. Now you have to multiply all elements by 7. That is 7x is equal to 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, 7 into minus 1 minus 7, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14. This is the answer. ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, they have given first x, write down the x. What you have to find out? 7x, 7 as it is, x matrix. You have to multiply each element by 7. That is the required answer. Next example 3. If A equal to 2, 3, 1, 7, B equal to 6, 3, 9, 1, then find A plus B. First you have to write down the given matrices. Solution. Given A equal to what is A is given? A is given as 2, 3, 1, 7, 2, 3, 1, 7, and B equal to 6, 3, 9, 1. 6 3 9 1. Then what you have to find out? A plus B. Consider A plus B equal to consider A plus B equal to 2 3 1 7 2 3 1 7 plus B matrix. What is the B matrix? Is 6 3 9 1 6 3 9 1. Now to add to these two matrices you have to add corresponding elements. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. What is the corresponding element? Is 6. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6. Here 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. Next here it is 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಇದೆ. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. Next ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1. Now A plus B equal to A plus B is equal to A plus B equal to 2 plus 6 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 3 9. 3 plus 3 9. 1 plus 9 10. 7 plus 1 8. 7 plus 1 8. This is the required matrix A plus B. In the given A and B, what you have to find out? A plus B, that is A plus B equal to A matrix 2 3 1 7 plus B 6 3 9 1. Next add the corresponding elements. 2 plus 6, 3 plus 3, 1 plus 9, 7 plus 1. 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 3 sorry actually it is 3 plus 3 6 sorry 1 plus 9 10, 7 plus 1 8. Now ಇದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 3 plus 3 I have to write 6, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ 9. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ 3 plus 3ಗೆ 9 ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. 3 plus 3 6, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 8 6 10 8. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ example number 4. 2 3, if A is given, B is given, you have to find out B plus A. ಅಲ್ಲಿ A plus B ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ B plus A. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Solution. First you have to write down given matrices. Given A equal to, what is A is given? 2 3 1 7 2 3 1 7 2 3 1 7 and B equal to, what is B equal to? 6 3 9 1 6 3 9 1 6 3 9 1. Consider what you have to find out. What you have to find out? A plus B, B plus A, sorry A plus B la B plus A. What is B? You have to write first. What is B is? B is 6 3 9 1 6 3 9 1 plus matrix A. What is the matrix A is? 2 3 1 7 2 3 1 7 plus ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೆ. Add the corresponding elements. What is the corresponding elements here? 6 2 6 plus 2 6 plus 2 3 plus 3 3 plus 3 3 plus 3 9 plus 1 9 plus 1 9 plus 1 1 plus 7 1 plus 7 1 plus 7 1 plus 7. B plus A is equal to, B plus A equal to, what is 6 plus 2? 8, 3 plus 3 6, 9 plus 1 10, 1 plus 7 8. This is the answer for B plus A, matrix B plus A. Next you have to define, that is x is given, y is given, you have to find out x minus y. Solution. Now to save the time, I am not going to write x and y given, but in exam you have to write first given x and y. I am going to write here directly consider x minus y equal to, but in exam you have to write first given x and y. To save the time here I am writing directly what is x? 1, 4, 6, 8, 5, 16, 2, 8, 5, 2, 8, 5. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 4, 6 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು 1, 4, 5 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಪಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶೀಟ್. 1, 4, 6, 8, 5, 16, 2, 8, 5 minus y, what is y? 12, 7, 6, 8, 0, 5, 3, 2, 4, 3 to 4, x minus y, that is corresponding elements subtraction. What are the corresponding elements? First 1 minus 12, 1 minus 12 first, 4 minus 7, 4 minus 7, 6 minus 6, 6 minus 6, next 8 minus 8, 8 minus 8, 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 16 minus 5, 16 minus 5, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4. Subtract the corresponding elements, that is x minus y is equal to 1 minus 12 is first minus 11, 4 minus 7 is minus 3, 6 minus 6 is 0, 8 minus 8 0, 5 minus 0 5, 16 minus 5 11, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 8 minus 2 6, 5 minus 4 1. Now it is required x minus y. Next example 6. Example 6, what is given? A is given, B is given. What you have to find out? 3b minus 2a. Solution. First you have to write given matrices. In exam first write given matrices. I am going to start here from next directly 3b minus 2a, but in exam compulsory to write first given matrix A and B. Now what is consider 3b minus 2a, 3b minus 2a. First you have to write 3 as it is, then write matrix B. Be careful in copying the question. 5 minus 1, 2, 0, 1, 4, 5 minus 1, 2, 0, minus 4, minus 2a, 2, what is a? A is 2, 1, 6, 2, 4, 3. ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಮೊದಲು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ 3a minus 2b ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ is 3b minus 2a. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ b, ದೆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ a is equal to multiply all the elements with 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, minus 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 4 12, 3 into 4 12, minus 2 multiplication, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 6 12, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, 2 4s are 8, ಎರಡು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಎಂಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Cross multiply, cross check. 2 into 2 4, 2 into 1 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now subtract 3b minus 2a, 3b minus 2a, subtraction. Now you have to write directly. I am going to subtract, one step ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. 15 minus 4 is 11, 15 minus 4 is 11, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, 6 minus 12 minus 6, corresponding element 6 minus 12, 0 minus 4. What is 0 minus 4 is? Minus 4. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. 3 minus 8 minus 5. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. 12 minus 6 is 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. It is about 3b minus 2a. 3b minus 2a. 3b minus 2a. Example number 6. Next, example 7. If one equation is given, find x and y. Solution. ಒಂದು sum of matrices ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರ ಒಂದೆರಡು unknowns ಇವೆ, x and y. You have to find out that unknown. Given, what is given? Given is matrix 1 2 4x 1 2 4x plus y3 2 5 y3 2 5 is equal to 7 5 6 5. 1 2 4x y3 2 5 7 5 6 5. You have to find out x and y. In left hand side there are two matrices with addition. You have to add those two matrices. Add the corresponding elements. 1 plus y 1 plus y 1 plus y 2 plus 3 2 plus 3 2 plus 3. Next 4 plus 2 4 plus 2, or you can write directly 2 plus 3 5 2 plus 3 5 4 plus 2 6 4 plus 2 6 x plus 5 is equal to 7 5 6 5 7 5 6 5 7 5 6 5. Now there are two matrices with equal sign, that is equality of matrices. By equality of matrices, just we discussed what is the equality of matrices gives. Corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ equal. Here 1 plus y must be equal to 7. 1 plus y equal to 7, and another one x plus 5 equal to 5. X plus 5 equal to 5. X plus 5 equal to 5. What is 1 plus y equal to 7 andre? Y equal to 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1. Then what is y equal to? Y equal to 6. Y equal to 6. It is the y value. Y equal to 6. X equal to 5. ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಆ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 5. What is x equal to? 0. X equal to 0. It is the value of x. Value of x. Next, example number 8. If same condition, actually your question is incomplete. You have to find out x. Here you have to find out x. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಂದರೆ you have to find x. You have to find x. Question incomplete ಇತ್ತು. If condition is given, you have to find out x. Solution. Take the given, write down the given. What is given is x square minus 3 4 2 plus minus 5x 1 0 3 is equal to minus 6 minus 2 4 5 4 5. Now to find out value of x. Add left hand side terms. If you add, what you are going to get? X square minus 5x. X square minus 5x. Minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. 4 plus 0 4. 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus 3 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Equal to, what you are going to write? Minus 6 minus 2 4 5. Now here two matrices are equal, again by equality of matrices. By equality of matrices, what you are going to write? Corresponding elements are equal. What is the here element is x square minus 5 6. What is the first element is? Minus 6. Therefore what you are going to write? X square minus 5x is equal to minus 6. Is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 అని ఇక్కడ ತಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? plus 6. x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, plus 6 equal to 0. Quadratic equation, either you can use formula method or factorization. Here factorization is simple. 6 is idella, idenagutte 3 2, that is x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. ಈ minus 5x ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, minus 3x minus 2x. What is common here? X. If you take x common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x minus 3 minus 2 common, minus 2 common, x minus 3 equal to 0. What you are going to write? X minus 3 common, x minus 2 remaining equal to 0. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, either x minus 3 0 or x minus 2 0 ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. x minus 3 0 or x minus 2 0. If you take 3 right hand side, what is x equal to 3? x equal to 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2. Then what is the answer is either x equal to 2 or x equal to 3. That is the required answer. Ninth question. Example 9. Find a if a plus b is given, a minus b is given. a plus b, a minus b ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. What you have to find out? A, you have to find out a. Given, note down the given values. A plus b is equal to, what is a plus b is given? A plus b is 5 to 0 9, 5 to 0 9. What is a minus b is given? A minus b is equal to, that is 3 6 0 minus 1, 3 6 0 minus 1. It is equation number 1, equation number 2. Now to get value of a, you have to delete b. b ಅನ್ನು eliminate ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore you have to add. If you add b get cancels, ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ b minus b become 0 matrix. a plus a to a by adding a plus a is 2a to a. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ 5 to 0 9, 5 to 0 9 plus 3 6 0 minus 1, 3 6 0 minus 1. Then what is 2a is equal to, 2a equal to 2a equal to, add the matrices, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 6 8, 0 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 1 8. Now what is a equal to, 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 by 2. It becomes 8 8 0 8, 8 8 0 8. If you take 1 by 2 multiply inside, then what is a equal to? A equal to 1 by 2 into 8, that is 4. 1 by 2 into 8 4, 0 1 by 2 into 8 4. This is the required answer for a. That is example 9. a plus b ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, a minus b ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, we added. To get b, if they ask, then substitute a value, you will get b. Or instead of adding, if you subtract, a becomes 0 matrix, then you will get value of b. Next, example number 10. Find x if one condition is given. That is solution. Note down the given values. What is given? Given is matrix 1 2 3 4 minus 1 2 plus 2x plus 2x is equal to 5 4 3 6 7 8, 6 7 8. Then you have to find out x, which implies 2x is equal to, 2x equal to, ಇದು 5 4 3 ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 5 4 3 6 7 8, 6 7 8. This plus becomes minus 1 2 3 4 minus 1 2, 4 minus 1 2, then what is that is 2x equal to, subtract 2x equal to 5 minus 1 4, 5 minus 1 4, 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 3 0, 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus of 1 ಈ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 7 minus of minus 1, what it becomes 7 plus 1, that is 8. 7 minus of minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 2 6, 8 minus 2 6, then what is x equal to, x equal to 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ 1 by 2, 4 2 0 2 8 6, 2 8 6, 2 8 6. Now that implies us, which implies us x equal to, if you multiply by 1 by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 by 2 into 4 2, 1 by 2 into 2 1 0, 1 by 2 into 2 is 1, 1 by 2 into 8 4, 1 by 2 into 6 3. Now this is the required answer for x. Next we are going to see some assignment questions on scalar multiplication, addition and subtraction. If A equal to 1 matrix is given, you have to find out 5A. Find 3x, x is given. If A matrix is given and B matrix is given, you have to find out A plus B. A matrix given, B matrix given, you have to find out B plus A. If x and y equal to 2 matrices is given, you have to find out x plus y matrix. Sixth question, if A equal to and B equal to matrices are given, then you have to find out 2A minus 3B. Substitute A value, B value and simplify. Seventh question, find x and y given that, find x and y given that one equation is given, you have to simplify, get the value of x and y. Same eighth question is also, you have to find out x and y. Ninth question, an unknown matrix A is given, you have to find out that unknown matrix A. Last question, that is 10th, if A plus B equal to and A minus B is given, find out the matrix. These are some questions related to what, scalar multiplication, addition and subtraction. In next section we are going to see multiplication of matrices. Now we are going to see some multiple choice questions. First question, if A is a matrix of order 3 cross 2 and B is a matrix of order 3 cross 2, then option A is A plus B is a matrix of order 3 cross 2, option B is B cross B plus A is a matrix of order 3 cross 2, A plus B, B plus A does not exist, both A and B exist. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ, A matrix order is 3 cross 2, B matrix order is 3 cross 2, it is A, it is B. Then A plus B and B plus A both exist because both are same order and their orders are also same. Therefore here A is also correct answer, B is also correct answer, under correct option. Therefore which option is correct option? That is option D, both A and B, both A and B, that is option D is correct option. Second question, if A equal to and 3A given, then what is the value of lambda? Option A 2, option B 4, option C 6, option D 8. What is given? 3A. Here you can observe that 3A means 3 into A. Now 3, it is A, 3A ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 3A, 3 3s are 9, 3 lambda, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 3 into 0 0. It is according to A. But ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 3A ಅಂತ. In place of 3 lambda, what is here? 6. Therefore 3 lambda equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 6. Then what is the lambda equal to? 6 by 3. What is lambda equal to? 2. Lambda equal to 2. Then what is the answer is 2. Which option is correct option? Option A is correct option. Option A is correct option. Now these are some multiple choice questions related to the 4 concepts discussed in session 2. Now summary of the session. In this session we discussed algebra of matrices. Under the algebra of matrices, scalar multiplication of a matrices, addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices. In next session, that is session 3, we are going to discuss multiplication of matrices and problems on multiplication of matrices. Thank you for watching.